Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and add contact widgets on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So here in this section, first of all, from the home screen, you're simply gonna go ahead touch, press and hold the area, or simply this will happen, right? All of your apps will start jiggle. You're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this plus button that is on the upper left corner. Now once this happens, you're simply gonna go ahead, select a widget for yourself. Right from over here you can create yourself a widget, and then once you have chose the particular widget, you can tap on this add widget, and then that widget will be done. You have created yourself a widget successfully here in your iPhone, and that will be stored. And if you want to add more, you can simply just do it as I have showed you over here again. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.